Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have the daughter of a patient who's been on a few of our videos, and the daughter hasn't been in a couple of years just because there's a lot of other life stuff going on, and that's fine, you know, nothing that we can do about that sometimes. So she's got some really thick nails, and when they're done, does she look like she's ready to walk the runway? No. But are they comfortable and much less painful? Yes. And that's my goal. I'm not a pedicurist, so my job is healthy and comfortable, and then the pedicurist can make them beautiful. So I hope that you enjoy our video today. All right.
Okay.
So it's been a couple years since I've seen you.
Yeah.
And are you still working?
I am, yeah.
And you work as a cashier, right?
I just started a new job.
Oh, doing what?
I'm working at Bon Mar as a sales associate.
Oh, what department?
In Eden Prairie. Department store, yeah.
Yeah, what department are you in?
I'm in handbags and accessories, yeah.
Okay.
And it's been a really good job for me. I just started in March.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been really good, yeah.
Now, is that a commission?
Yes,
position?
it is.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
But they give you a base salary
Oh, yeah.
to live on.
Yeah, which is really nice. Yeah, exactly.
I've been in that store a couple times. It's
Okay.
it's a pretty high end.
It is very high end. Yes, it is.
Does
yeah.
it exist anywhere outside of the state of Minnesota?
Pardon?
Does it exist anywhere outside of the state of Minnesota?
Yeah, it does. I think it exists in like the 5-state area. I
Oh.
think. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It originated in Davenport, Iowa.
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh, that feels good to get them cut.
Yeah.
Oh,
I bet.
really good. Yeah. That big toe is really.
Yeah, these look like 2 years of growth.
Yeah, they have been. Yeah. Yeah.
What kind of shoes do you wear when you're working on your feet all day?
I just, I found a pair. I have to wear very wide shoes because I have bunions.
Mm-hmm.
And I found a nice pair at Macy's that I wear. And you have to wear black shoes and just something pretty simple, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is probably even a little bit better than being a cashier because
Oh,
you're moving
definitely,
around.
because I'm moving around. It's
Even
so
though you're
much
on your
better.
feet. Yeah.
Yeah,
Standing in
so
one place.
much better. It's really hard, yeah. Yeah, yeah, so much better. Well, I'm not gonna wait so long next time.
Yeah. Your mom's here every couple
Not
months.
good, yeah.
Okay. So you're having a pretty good summer?
Yeah. Yeah, it's been really good, yeah.
Anything interesting?
Well, my sister and my mom and I, we always go up to Nisswa in the middle of August, so we're kind of looking forward to that. We go to the Crazy Day sale up there,
What is that?
and it's in Nisswa.
Is that like a big flea market?
Yeah, it's kind of like a big flea market, yeah. All the stores have everything on sale
Oh.
in Nisswa, and it's kind of fun.
How far from here is Nisswa?
It's about maybe a little over, maybe about an hour and a half drive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's not too bad. So we're gonna stay in a hotel up there.
And shop your hearts out.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, yeah. So I've been saving my money for that. Yeah. I don't know how we're gonna do with my mom. She's gotten a lot older now. She's 101 now.
Wow.
So we just have to take it really slow with her. Yeah.
Hit 2 stores and go back for a nap.
Yeah, there you go.
It's about my
That's
speed.
it, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's so nice to get these cut. Oh my gosh.
I'm sure.
Yeah. So how often is normal? Should I come in?
Most people come in between 2 and 3 months.
Okay, that's what I need to do then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trim a little bit more off that one.
Okay.
right.
All right, I'm done.
No, not quite.
Not quite, okay.
These look like they belong to a different person
I
now.
know, though, boy, that's for sure. Yeah, they sure do.
Go home a pound or two
Yeah.
lighter here.
Yeah, oh my gosh, feels so good. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I make an appointment for the next time already today?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna do that because I wanna make sure I get in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what most people do.
Oh,
Is
okay,
they
yeah,
make
that's
their
what I'm
next-
gonna do.
They make their
I think
next
that's what my
appointment.
mom does too.
Yeah.
Yeah, she does
She
that.
makes her next appointment
Yeah, right
as she's
away.
leaving, yeah.
That's a good idea.
And that way, you know, if like you have
Yeah.
to cancel or
Yeah.
reschedule,
Yeah,
then, you know, then at least you have something on the books, and if you have to cancel, I
Yeah.
tell everybody reschedule
Yeah.
right away.
Okay.
So
All right.
I'm just gonna put a little Band-Aid on that for the
Okay.
day.
All right.
Are you wearing, you don't have socks on today?
No, no
Do you
socks
want
on.
lotion?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, so it's not really bleeding.
Okay, yeah,
It
it
just-
looks like just a little bit there, yeah.
So just leave this on
All
until,
right.
until tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, okay.
All right, so yeah,
All
I
right.
would schedule your next
Yeah, I'm
appointment
gonna
for
do that
around,
right away, yeah.
okay, 2.5 to 3 months,
3
I
months,
think
okay,
would be
2.5 to
fine
3
for
months.
you.
Okay, that'd be great.
All right,
Thank
well,
you
thanks
so
for
much,
letting us-
doctor.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Okay.